assembled in Tianjin. The 9-3 will be to a greater extent a versatility lab to demonstrate the idea before the new models are delivered. The 4 up-and-coming autos will be founded on the Phoenix stage that we caught wind of a couple of years prior. The lineup will comprise of a family SUV, a hybrid, a minimal and a medium size, all with some type of electric powertrain. NEVs will have a normal staff of 600 by the start of the year and a speculation of a few $1 billion. Its exertion is at present one of the biggest mechanical activities in Sweden. For Saab fans, and auto aficionados by and large, this is all uplifting news, despite the fact that, starting at now, it just influences Sweden and China. Ideally Saab, or NEVs, or whatever it's in the long run called, really offers a few autos, a considerably more troublesome undertaking than just declaring an arrangement to offer a few autos. At that point possibly, quite possibly, we'll see some Swedish, Chinese equipment come stateside.